Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday, which means last night was date night and Sunday dinner with Robin. I prepared Hawaiian huli huli chicken. Oh, where's that been all my life? Most excellent. I did it in the oven. You can do it either in the oven or you can do it on a barbecue grill with charcoal or gas. It was really good. Now, because I did half recipe, but the marinade sauce, I actually did a full recipe because I wanted plenty of marinade to get those chicken thighs in, and you baste it over the cooking process, and then you had some sauce to do while you're plating it. Most excellent. I paired that with my macaroni salad. Always great. It's especially great in the summertime when it's hot. We're having a little bit cooler weather right now, but it's still excellent. Plenty of veggies, a great dressing. Check out the recipe. All right, tonight, the Culinary Expedition. Yes, it continues. I saw this recipe and I'm like, I have to do this. We're actually in the Solomon Islands tonight, where I am going to be preparing Gulai Ikan, which is fish in coconut milk. Very simple recipe. No problems getting the ingredients for this. And I'm going to put it. I'm changing the side from what's actually on the schedule that I put out. I took away the couscous because I have leftover butternut squash from a few days ago. So I'm going to be pairing that up with a red sweet potato, and I'm going to basically put them together, and I'm going to roast them with a little bit of garlic, and yeah, real simple. Let's get to it. All right, the fish I'm going to be using is tilapia. So I got 2 tilapia fillets here, coconut milk. I'm going to grate some ginger, slice up half of this yellow onion, some turmeric, garlic, kosher salt, black pepper. For the butternut squash, garlic, kosher salt, black pepper. Here's the butternut squash. Here's the red sweet potato, some extra virgin olive oil, and some thyme. You could use fresh if you wish. Then Robin brought me from Bishop's Pumpkin Farm, because she did an event there yesterday. They have something new. This is a mini pie. It's apple. Oh, if you're familiar with Bishop's, then you know they have excellent pies. It is that time of year. I believe Bishop's is open. I believe. I saw something yesterday on Facebook. Basically, a concerned citizen saying, hey, Bishop's is open. Highway 65 is going to be a little crazy, which is true. So for all you local, actually people come from all over to go to Bishop's in Wheatland, California. I've been there a number of times, especially when Serena was little. And yeah, it is a great place. So on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.